Today, we explore the refined features of the SEBO Airbelt E2 Turbo, where innovative design meets robust performance. Turbo Carpet Tool. The air-driven turbo head and accessories adapts to low-pile carpets and hard floors, with a rotating brush powered by the vacuum suction, offering deep and tailored cleaning while being gentle on delicate rugs. Quiet operation and airbelt bumper. Enjoy whisper quiet operation while the soft airbelt bumper protects your furniture and walls, maintaining a serene and pristine environment. Reach and capacity. With a 37-foot cleaning radius and a 3.5-liter dust bag, the E2 Turbo allows for extended cleaning sessions without frequent interruptions. The full bag indicator ensures optimal performance by notifying you when it's time for a change. Advanced filtration. The hospital-grade 3-step filtration system captures 99.9% of microscopic allergens, enhancing indoor air quality and ensuring a cleaner home. Maneuverability and durability. Lightweight at just 11.4 pounds, the E2 Turbo is easy to maneuver, while its rubber-coated wheels and durable telescopic tube offer smooth navigation and long-lasting use. Convenient features. An automatic cord rewinder and quick-release connections add to the ease of use, making storage and setup effortless. Invest in the SEBO Airbelt E2 Turbo for a cleaning experience that blends efficiency with elegance.